Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Script Host VBScript error. First, check your system for viruses or malware. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options and choose Full Scan. Start the scan and wait for it to finish. If any threats are found, remove them and restart your computer. Malware is one of the most common reasons for VBScript errors. Next, repair Windows system files using the System File Checker tool. Click the Start menu, type CMT, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scanO and press Enter. The scan will start and may take several minutes. Do not close the window while it is running. When the scan is complete, restart your PC. This step fixes corrupted or missing system files that can cause script errors. Now, check Startup Programs for suspicious entries. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Look for programs you do not recognize or do not need. Select them and click Disable. Be careful and only disable items you are sure about. Restart your computer after making changes. After completing these steps, the Windows Script Host VBScript error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.